Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. How are we doing today? I'm here to bring you another really exciting, very easy, very simple, very elegant tutorial today. It's short, it's quick, it's easy, and any one of you can try it. And I'm hoping that each one of you will try it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, each and every one of you. I thank you all for your love, your support, for helping me to build this platform. And for those of you that are new here, please stick around. We have lots to offer, and I hope you'll stay to the end. And my dear viewers, please, it's important, if you like the contents, you share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. It helps to build a platform so that we can continue to bring nice and good, relevant stuff for each one of you. I have a whole lot planned, so I'm hoping, inshallah, as we grow, I'm able to share more and more with you. So today's tutorial is very quick. I don't want to talk a lot today because normally I do, but I promised myself I'm going to make this one short and sweet and quick. So stay with me as I show you how I get this really beautiful look. Let's take a look at the look. It's beautiful. It has a nice flow in the back. It's beautiful. Look at the folds in the front. It's quite easy, quite simple. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how I got this really beautiful, simple look. Hold on. Stay with me. Don't go away. And now I'm going to show you how I got that really beautiful look. It's such a beautiful scarf. It's chiffon with some blings. See that? See how beautiful that is? It's so pretty. Now, I got my ninja on because you see my dress. I'm wearing a nice, really nice long summer dress. And it's dressy and it's pretty. And it's Jummah day. And I thought, I'll get dressed up. And the reason why I put this cap on is because this ninja is for the weather. It's got, like, over here, it's got really thin material. So for the sake of this tutorial, you can see my hair. So I don't want that happening. So I put this cap on just so that I can do this tutorial for you. Now, on a usual day, I wouldn't wear the cap on because I don't need to with the type of style we're going to use today. So let's start. And what we're going to do is we're going to put, see how beautiful that is? And I'm going to take that in the back. I'm going to give it a safety pin. Just bear with me while I grab one. And it doesn't matter what color because it's in the back. Careful when you're pinning it that you don't poke yourself. There you go. Nice. It gives it a really nice, neat look in front. And this we're just going to leave there. And this one here, I'm going to just pull it here and put it across here. And that's all I'm doing, really. It's all I'm doing. I want to give it some nice, full look in the front. And when I pull it across, I make sure that see that? How pretty that is? Okay, and I'm just going to give it one stick pin there. If you want to have it fall in the back, you can have it fall in the back. See that? It's gorgeous. Look at this. My dear viewers, look at how beautiful that is. And all it is, it's now, see here? If you weren't wearing a ninja, your skin is going to show here. So what you could do is just take the scarf from your neck, take out the spin, watch what I do. I'm just going to put it here, And I'm going to bring a bit of the scarf up here, and I'm going to pin it with the side that I brought over. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So now the neck is covered. See that? Now there's nothing showing. It is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now the shorter piece we can stick in there. And the longer piece, we've got really beautiful folds. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is absolutely beautiful. We can bring this over, or we can just let it, why don't we just let it sit in the back? And you have this nice fold in the back. See that? And we still have beautiful coverage in the front. Lots of folds, lots of pleat. And look at that. How is that? Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And all we have is one pin and one stick pin. That's it. So, very short. I told you it's going to be a very short tutorial today. Quick and easy, elegant looking, but very quick, very simple, and very easy for you to do. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that, because I enjoy bringing it to you, because I wanted to make it a short tutorial today, very quick, very easy, and something that you can handle, and something that I want you to try. And make sure you try it, because it's absolutely beautiful. It has this beautiful flow to it. Any scarf will work. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be this. Anyone will work. So if you like what you saw, hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family, please. It's important, because if somebody, you know, gets the inspiration or get the call to put this hijab on because you've shared this link to them, it's amazing what that blessing is for you. And if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell icon and press the all. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me. I thank you for your love and your support. So stay with me. I have a whole lot to bring to you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, because I enjoyed bringing it to you. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So take care. Be safe, please. Conditions have lifted, so you must take utmost care to take care of yourselves and be safe at all times. Take the necessary precautions to be safe. Until we meet again, this is Naz. Thank you for being with me, and take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.